Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with 4 pre-spring, early spring if you will, outfits. I know, it's crazy, but it's warm in Dallas, so I'm taking advantage. So whether you can actually wear these now where you are, you want some outfit inspiration for maybe a trip you're taking, or you're just excited for warmer weather, like this should hopefully get it done. In terms of spring, like my loves are white, pops of color. Like basically think of fall just with more pops of color, layers, all that kind of stuff. But honestly, it's already in the 70s here, so yeah. And then I have an outfit that I'm planning to wear for my son's Valentine's Day party, which is tomorrow, I'll upload this by then, so it'll be that day. It just worked out perfectly. I volunteered and I had this dress that I have been loving. Well, that I loved, that I just picked up. So that's what's on the agenda today. So let's jump in. This first, I'm not sure how these two are gonna go together, but we're gonna try. I love this little Popppllum skirt that I grabbed from Quince last year. I think I got it in this extra small, yeah. And honestly, it's still like big at an extra small. It's a large extra small if you want it to like hit at the waist. No, it's not bad. It works, honestly. It works. Okay, so love this. Just a very big flowy Popppllum style. So not the kind of think of a button up. Don't think of like just a, I don't know. It's got structure to it and I love it. It is lined. Or wait, no, it's not lined. Yes. Is it lined? Yes, it's lined and has pockets and has just like a little Velcro or like elastic at the top. I'm going to pair it with a white long sleeve boat neck style top, but I don't know if the whites are going to match. So we're just going to have to see in the moment. Oh, I forgot my rings. Oh well, just imagine. Yeah, I'm like aloof. Also, this is my first video talking with my pumped up lips. I got like a little less than half a syringe of filler in my lips. But this is day 2, so they're still swollen and feel like weird, but so far so good. But let's put on the top, shall we? Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the skirt is more of like a yellow based white and the top is more of like a white or like a cool tone. Does that make sense? Warm tone and cool tones. But we're gonna try. We're gonna see, because honestly I really wouldn't care that much. I feel like it's going to show up on camera. It's either going to show up on camera or it's not, and y'all are going to think I'm nutso, but such is life. I love these little like boat neck tops from Old Navy. I always get one in white, and I had forgot that I had gotten it. It's just such a good basic. So this is kind of a heavy outfit in the sense of like just like all white, kind of all oversized, but I'm going to kind of make this look a little bit, hoping this will work. If not, I'm going to switch to a t-shirt. But I think if I do like a long necklace, I love how I put all of my other jewelry on except my rings. It's bizarre. I never take this one off. So I feel like this kind of will help draw the eye down and more elongate instead of open. Does that work? Does that make sense to you guys? Makes sense to me. Okay, I feel like a little art teacher in this, like a cool art teacher. Also, I'm thinking I'm gonna do dark accessories, which I know might seem like kind of strange, but we're gonna see. I don't know if it's gonna work. But I was thinking, lip gloss. My loafers with this, again, would kind of tie in the brown from the necklace, and then I was gonna do a pop of color. Let's see about sunglasses too. This is cute. I kind of like the brown loafers. I wouldn't think to do them specifically, but I thought I kind of wanted something a little more bold since the whole outfit is white, and then I felt like it went with the dark of the necklace. And you got the ready orange sweater, which again is very like layers, warmth, but adds some color to it. So it's kind of looking a little like a lot. Do you know what I'm talking about? Not like a lot. Okay, I'm talking about like the outfit itself looks kind of heavy. I feel like I almost need to do a tighter top. Do you know what I mean? Because this is poofy and this is poofy. So let's actually pivot. Let's try on a white. No, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It's cute. I was gonna think of a white top that's a little tighter. Probably would get a little bit more shape, but I'm kind of okay with it. And I don't know, let me know about the loafers. I think it kind of looks cool because it's more of like a darker color. But you could always go with something a little bit more neutral as well. But I kind of like it. It's definitely different, not like my everyday. I think if I wanted to add a little bit more, like I said, structure up top, I could do more of like a tighter t-shirt or tighter long sleeve, but I think this is okay. I think this is not just okay. I think it's good. I really like it. And I love this pop of like a reddy orange. It's like my all-time favorite like pop color. So I think this is cute. So look number one. I like. Different, yes, but I like. All right, let's move on to look number two. This is the outfit I'm gonna wear tomorrow. But I've recently picked up this dress. I think I saw someone talk about it on TikTok and I was like, okay, if my Walmart app has it, I'm just gonna buy it, okay? Because I saw this on her body and I was like, that is like the most flattering thing I've ever seen on her body. But you know how you never know if it's like your body gonna look the same on your body, you know what I'm talking about? And in fact, I think it's stunning. Randomly, all of the insoles of my shoes have been like flopping out, and I don't know what's going on with that. Anyhow, let's put on this little dress. So I thought it would be cute because it's hearts for Valentine's Day, but it's navy blue. So it's not like too Valentine's-y. I bought this before Valentine, like had never had the intentions of wearing it for Valentine's Day. So like, I don't know. I think it works. I don't think it like gives too much Valentine's-y. And I'm gonna wear like a little cardigan over it, you'll see. Okay, so let's pop that on. Okay, so this is the dress, and you can see the hearts are like, could be polka dots. They're not like insanely hardy. I don't know. It's a denim dress. I did size down in this. I grabbed this in an extra small because the girl that I saw it on, I felt like she got a small and she said, or she got a medium, she's like, I should have done a small. She talked about her measurements, so I was like, I think I should try the extra small, and it's perfection. I also love that I can wear a traditional bra with this. It's incredible. And they have the little like snap things that you can snap the bra in place so you don't see the bra, which is really quite cool. There's a hook and eye in the back as well, but I can never get that because, well, hello, I'm like just one person. I also never tried this on with a bra. So also with these dresses, I feel like it is, oh, these are kind of smushy in the boobs. Okay, I don't think I'd wear a regular bra with this. So if you're big chested, go true to size or plan on not wearing a bra because I'm like pan clucked in here, okay? But I love this like fit and flare. I feel like the extra small I needed because if I didn't, I would have way too much room here, and I wanted it to be like one of those like hug you in, suck you in type of dresses, since it is more of a modest dress in the sense of like the length and the fit and flare, like, and it doesn't show, you know, all that. So I think it's adorable. They also have this in red, I want to say, and I'm not sure what else, but I thought this would be super cute for a summer dress. I love that it has pockets. It's 100% cotton, and I think it's adorable. It's such like an easy like throw and go type of dress, and like this makes me look like I have shape that I don't even have, okay? And it's perfection. So I will, in fact, for tomorrow, hook the little bra straps up, but I thought of just wearing like a little tank because, or a little cardigan, because I don't want to be like uncovered in school, you know? And then I was thinking for shoes, I would just wear my little ballet flats. So this is what I was thinking for tomorrow. And I'll either do like a little top button thing like this, which I thought was really cute, or I'll do like, you do the bottom too. This would also look just cute, like completely buttoned up as well. But yeah, love. Is this not so cute? So yes, I'm here for it. And again, I don't think like once it's over Valentine's, it's not like red and in your face. It's kind of like a subtle Valentine's-y type of thing. And I just thought it was super, super cute and honestly, insanely, insanely comfortable. So this is what I will be wearing to my son's little school Valentine's Day party. But like honestly, like just around, I probably won't wear like a cardigan, but you know, I should dress a little bit more appropriately for a school. I think honestly this would be fine too, personally, but you can let me know, I guess, before, because I'll post it before I go. But this is the look, and I think this dress is like so darling, and it was like 30 bucks. It's so good. Okay, so that was look number 2. Let's move on to look number 3. Okay, so for look number 3, I'm actually going to switch the positioning of that because I want to wear the other way. Okay, so for look number 3, let's put on, if you've been around for a while, you know I've thrifted these pants like, I don't know, probably 3 summers ago or something. I don't remember, a while. And I love them. They're from Liz Claiborne. And they're kind of like a, I don't know, chino type of thing, but in white. So let's pop these on. I probably wouldn't wear a bra with this dress, to be honest with you, because I feel like it just kind of doesn't need it. Like the boobs aren't going anywhere in this dress, okay? Especially if you size down. Okay, next up I'm just gonna pop on a little white tee to go underneath the sweater. I've been loving the size medium in this Uniqlo top. I like the way it hits better than the large, and I feel like the sleeves are still fine. So I've been loving that. I'm gonna throw on my little, I finally changed up my laces to navy blue, which I thought is so cute. My little boat shoes. I will say I wore these on a walk yesterday, I think, like to go get Arlo, and my feet had a little bit of a blister. So I need to break these in a little bit more, probably with socks, and then work up to no shoe, or no sock, because I like them without socks. But we're going kind of coastally, whatever. That's what I love about spring, personally. I love this sweater from Quince. I own it in both of the striped colors. I think they have more than 2, but I own it in the navy and white and the tan white. Oh, yes! Okay, why didn't I save this till the end? This is such a cute outfit. Okay, oh, is that on the neck? Oh no. Got a little string. Okay, so this is the base. Adorable, adorable. I'm loving the navy blue laces so much. Okay, but I was thinking, since, you know, it can be a little cold in the springtime, this little cropped trench style I thought would be adorable, and tie in the leather from the shoe with the collar. So, love it. Is this not adorable? Hold on, let's get some sunnies. This is everything. I love this outfit so much. So cute, very easy. Oh, I don't want to take this off. I want to wear this for the rest of the day. I just feel like it's not cold enough. Maybe it is, I don't know. This is adorable though. Perfect layering, perfect spring, but light colors. This is everything in an outfit for me. I love the stripes. I love the wide leg pants, boat shoes, coat, everything. So stinking cute. Okay, look number 1, or look number 3. I feel like we nailed this. I am in love. Can't wait to wear this, like in real life. Glad it came to my mind and came to life with my vision, you know? All right, let's move on to the 4th and final look, the look I'm gonna wear for the rest of the day. It's supposed to be like high 70s, so I'm kind of like, I want something a little warmer. But let's put on, we're gonna keep our little white tee on. That's gonna be the base. I was debating between a tank or a tee, but honestly, it's like not that warm, so I'm kind of like, let's do the tee. Let's not barrel whole arms out, you know, to the world. But let's put on my little barrel pants from Uniqlo. And then I'm going to put back on my boat shoes. I might cuff these, because I feel like you can't see the boat shoes that much, so I like to kind of do a little cuff. The cuffing can look weird with barrels, so you have to like be intentional with it. This is also really cute the way this is. But I'm gonna do a little bit of a fun pop. So let's take this off, tuck a Rooney around it, and I'll show you. I'm so excited to start wearing my spring sweaters because honestly I need to start doing it now because soon it's going to be too hot in Texas. But I can't always count on the fact that it's always cold in like restaurants and stores and stuff, so you still need your layers. Okay, so let's tuck this around. Honestly, the large for this would be better, so that ensures that you're not constantly tucking. Do you know what I'm talking about when you like a tucked look, but then you're bending over and it's like untucking all the time? I would say if that's the case for you too, always size up in white tees. But I like how this like is a little bit more fitted. Okay, and then I thought my new sweater from Abercrombie would be so cute. Honestly, with this green, I just thought it would be such a fun pop. But I'm just gonna throw this over the shoulders because, like I said, it's not cold out, but I really liked the blue, and honestly, I feel like it looks good with the green. I know it's weird, but I feel like it looks good. And then the ties in the navy blue from the shoes. Ooh, you know what would be good? Hold on. To tie in the blue from the sweater. Oh, I'm kind of here for it. What do we think? I love this. Again, you could wear this like on if it's like chilly in the shade or whatever, because after school I always take Arlo to the park and like let him, you know, get his wiggles out. So it's nice if it's like cold or whatever to have something to put on, but I love this so much. I think the green is fun. Let's put it on just so you can see as well. The one thing, I love this sweater like so much. But the buttons, and I love the buttons, but they're kind of hard to like get through because they're like super tiny and they're like round, so they kind of can be a pain at times. But worth it, worth it. I love this color so much. So even, I haven't tried this on with a tee before. Oh yeah, the neckline is perfect. I have this giant neck pimple. Like, what the heck is that about? I know what it's about. It's about me bringing my tretinoin down onto my neck. But this is also just so cute. Like, this is so good. I love it. I know. I don't know if these colors would go with the green, but I kind of love it. So that was it. That was look number 4, and the look I will be staying in for the rest of the day to go pick up Arlo and then take him to jiu-jitsu. Hopefully they're open. I don't know, they were having some issues. So anyway, this is the look. I love this little shrunken cardigan from Abercrombie. Like so perfect. If they came out with more striped colors, I would absolutely need it. And it is so warm and so cozy. It's a wool blend, so it's not 100% wool, but it's really nice. So that was it. That was my 4 pre-spring, spring in Dallas, if you will, spring in other places that are warm like Florida or California, I don't know, the southern states, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. I will have everything I used, talked about, linked either on the YouTube drop button or in the description box. And yeah, love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next one very, very soon. Bye.